Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Renaming dictionary keys in Python can be done easily using dictionary comprehensions and the dict function. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to rename dictionary keys in Python. 1. Create a dictionary with the original keys and values. 2. Use a dictionary comprehension to iterate over the original dictionary and create a new dictionary with the desired key names. 3. Use the dict function to convert the result of the dictionary comprehension into a new dictionary with the renamed keys. Let's see an example to illustrate this process. In this example, we have an original dictionary with keys name, age, and city. We use a dictionary comprehension to create a new dictionary with keys full_name, years_old, and location. Finally, we convert the result into a new dictionary with the renamed keys and print it out. You can customize the key renaming process by modifying the dictionary comprehension to suit your specific renaming requirements.